you have more than one Yealink W73P handsets, you can pair them together. On the Yealink base station, click and hold the large button for 3 seconds until the top green light flashes. Your additional handset will have unregistered displayed on the screen. To pair it to your base station, click the left button immediately below the screen where it displays the word Reg. Your device should automatically connect to the base station once it's found. That's it, your additional handset is ready to use. We suggest you make a test call just to confirm it works as it should. If you need further help with setting up your new phone, please contact our friendly UK-based team on 0800 112 5000.